Hello everyone, welcome to Moreynchi, and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of Boult Audio Airbass Q10 True Wireless In-Ear Earphones. From Boult, it is claimed that it is having 24 hours of total playtime, touch control, IPX5 water resistance and low latency. So let's get started. So this is our pack. Let's open it. So inside back box we get our earphones and invoice. So let's keep it aside. So this is our earphones. At front you can see the branding by Vicky Kaushal, Q10 name. On side the image. On back we can see the specifications like voice assistance, touch control, call facilities, Bluetooth version and so on. And on other side we have Boult Audio branding. So without further delay, let's open it. So on opening of the box we get a red pouch with the documentations. It is a 1-year warranty card and process for registration is mentioned here, and then standard user manual. Let's keep these things aside for a while. Inside box, as you can see, we get our headphones with in a cute box. Let's keep it aside, and we get another box for accessories. So as part of accessories we get the normal USB charging cable, not C type, and we get set of extra earbuds. Unboxing. So let's move towards our main attraction of the day, that is the earphones. So the box is very handy and sturdy. It's all plasticky but feel good in hand. It will not be as comfortable as say Apple AirPod box or Boat one as well, Boat 141, but still it is manageable and you can have it in your pocket. The texture is little smooth like velvet, you can say soft plastic. While after opening it you can see we get a 2 set of earplugs and a blue indicator showing that it's open, and we have an indicator on each side of our headphones as well. So let's take it out one. So as you can see, you have the battery charging indicators which will connect to your these are charging points which will connect with your case for charging, and we have points or indicator for right and left. As a first impression, it's very good. Feel in hand is, even though it's plasticky, but it feels really good in hand, and this devices comes with a touch control as well. So let's start with the pairing. So we have our device here and let's open it. So it's now detected Boult Audio Airbass. So let's select it. So it's connected now, and as you can see it's showing battery as 100%, so which is really good. Now let's talk about the main functionality of the earphones, that is its sound output. So overall sound quality is very good with this Boult Audio Airbass Q10 in-ear earphones. No issue with the bass and treble levels. Also bass output is very good. If you are one who loves ghazals, then you will enjoy these earphones as vocals are also very clear. But please mind that these things are for casual music lovers only. If you are looking for those deep notes in each music, then these earphones are not for you. And this is acceptable considering the price range for these earphones. Talking about the call quality, when we tested these earphones in indoor condition, there was no issue and other party was able to hear us properly. But in outdoor condition, other party always complained about the noise or surrounding sound, thus was not able to hear us properly. With its in-ear design, it gives a passive noise cancellation while hearing music, etc. But there is no noise cancellation for these earphones. So if you are looking for using these earphones for Zoom calls etc., then better to avoid these. As per our testing in last 2 months, we have observed that the Bluetooth connection is also not stable. When we use it to listen audiobooks while having evening walk, there was frequent disconnection while mobile was in our pocket. So to avoid that, we always kept mobile in our hand only. Also, Bluetooth connectivity range is not good. Practical usage shows that it only gives stable connection if you are near your mobile. If you are going beyond approximately 2 meter range, then Bluetooth start frequent disconnect. Now let's talk about gaming. We have tested these earphones with multiple games. There is no visible issue with normal games like Clash of Clans, Fruit Ninja or Angry Birds, just to name a few. But when you play games like Call of Duty, which you are currently watching on screen as well, we observe very much lag with sound output via these earphones. In games like Call of Duty, every game sound without any lag is very much important. But as you can see, there is very much delay when bullet is fired from the gun and sound we hear from the headphones. On other hand, you can very much hear the surround sound in game with some delay of course, and can guess the direction from which it's coming, like sound of gunfire etc. So if you are looking for a wireless gaming headphones, then Boult Audio Airbass Q10 is not for you. Let's finish this gameplay and you can let us know your view on this by mentioning it in comment section below. So overall pros and cons are as follows. Positive things: lightweight, touch control, good grip in ear and overall good audio for music lovers. Cons: unstable Bluetooth, short distance Bluetooth connectivity and absolutely no noise cancellation. So not good for calls. So what's final verdict on this? These earphones come with touch control technology and provide voice assistant. With just 10 minutes of charging, you can get 100 minutes of playtime. These are available in two colors, white and black. And by any means, if you want to reset the setting, then you can just follow the instructions which are available on screen. Should you get these earphones? Absolutely yes, if you are looking for lightweight earphones with good audio output. and that too just under 1000 rupees. We purchased these earphones at a price of just 799, but currently it's available at around 1200 rupees. So that's it for today's video. If you are happy with the content provided, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Jai Hind.